It'll just be us. I made your favorite...
Come on, Vincent. Just let me have a minute of silence, okay? Do you ever stop talking the second I walk through the door?
Is that a hickey?
What are you gogging at? Go iron my blue evening gown. I've got a corporate gala tonight.
Huh. It was right here. Sophia already has her phone. Why the hell?
Only you get to see this side of me, Liam, my love.
Only? My love? So it was no passion. Never thought you wouldn't wear this stuff. You just never wanted to wear it for me.
You like it? I've got much more for you.
Which one feels better? The toy or your daddy here?
Daddy. Daddy.
What the hell is this? You got something to explain? Who were you on the video with?
You really think I owe you an explanation for that? Move!
You're dressed like this, out there flirting with other men, and you expect me not to ask why?
You went through my phone without asking me? That's seriously crossing a line.
I cross a line? You won't even let me touch you. You never wear any of that for me, but some random guy, he gets the whole show?
Oh, please. Don't turn your insecurity into my crime. They're just new designs. I modeled a few samples. Why are you making such a fuss about it?
You think I'm stupid? Model? So your marketing strategy now involves bondage gear and calling another man my love?
It's art. You wouldn't understand the industry even if I explained it to you. Because while I was out building an empire, you were here, folding laundry.
You really think I'd buy that? Art? You think you can fool me with that? Then tell me, who the hell is Liam?
He's the most important person in my life. He listens! He understands me! He doesn't make me feel trapped in a retirement home! Mom, Dad, what's going on?
Your mom has a second phone. Sneaking around with another man behind my back.
Are you serious right now? Can I have a backup phone for work? Your father went through my private messages and turned it into some disgusting fantasy because he's insecure. Dad. Uncle Liam is the design director. He and Mom are childhood friends. I got into UCA last year thanks to his recommendation.
Yeah. He also got me into the Corioni group as a designer. He's helped this family more than you have in years.
You all knew? You knew about him and your mother, and you never told me? Why, do I mean anything to you as your father?
Dad,
Sophia, you left your stockings at my place.
Oh my God, you're here! It's Christmas!
Such a pity. When you were trying on the sample for me, I wasn't careful and tore them. Those looked so beautiful on you.
Hi, Uncle Liam.
Uncle Liam.
What's wrong? You both look not well. Did something happen? You're Liam. Nice to meet you, Liam Rodriguez, design director under the Corleone Group, and Sophia's closest friend.
You destroyed our marriage. For a man like him?
What the hell is wrong with you? You wonder why I never told you? Just look at yourself right now!
So, what you did with him was for my sake, huh?
We wouldn't be today without Liam's connections and resources. Even the Corzoni family investment came through him. Liam and I grew up together. I knew him long before I ever met you. If I wanted to marry him, do you think I would have married you? Dad, please stop. You and Mom have been for years. You know what she is. Why let things get this ugly?
Yeah! Do you have any idea what his connections have done for this family? For me? Dad, if you can't help, then just stay out of the way.
Vincent, I never meant to take Sophia from you. I just want her to be happy. If it really bothers you, for her sake, I'd gladly let you take a swing at me if it helps you feel better.
I have never felt more alone than I do with you. I built this company from the ground up, and Liam was beside me through all of it. You know what you contributed? Dinner, laundry, school pickups, that's all.
That's all? I did nothing for you? Do you know—
Enough! The biggest mistake of my life was marrying you. A trash.
Mistake? 20 years ago, if it wasn't for me, would you get what you have today? When you had that car accident, the doctor said you might never walk again. And who the hell stayed by your side day and night?
My life is ruined. A cripple. Please, just go. I don't want to be a burden to you.
Stop talking like that. No matter what happens, I'm staying by your side. From now on, I'll be your legs. I'll be with you for the rest of my life, no matter what.
I gave up everything to help you stand again, everything. I couldn't even be there when my mother died. Is this the family I've protected? Is this what I got?
You made those choices, Vincent. Nobody forced you. For 20 years, I carried this family on my back. That's enough. I don't owe you anything.
I never wanted to come between your family and ruin everyone's mood.
It's Christmas.
A Porsche? Oh my god, Uncle, you're so good to me! A sapphire diamond ring? Mom, that's a Bulgari sapphire ring.
You still remembered.
I know Sapphire's your favorite. I had this custom made, hoping you'll secure Corleone's new investment.
Seriously, Uncle Liam, how are you still this perfect? No wonder Mom never forgets you.
He's your first love?
Sorry, Sophia. I let you down at that time. But now, all I want is your happiness. I'll keep my distance, never interfering with you or your family again. Easy, Vincent.
Uncle, you're not the one who should leave. It's you.
Bella.
Dad, you never understand Mom. If you really love Mom, you should let her go.
I cooked your favorite food every day. I stayed awake all night when you had a fever. I did everything to keep you happy and safe. Does none of that matter to you? Does it no match for his fancy car and a few nice words?
Cut the self-pitying act, Dad. Can love support our family? Can love provide you a house? Without Mom, you'd never have been here.
Ella's right, Dad. Just face the truth. Love doesn't build a future anymore.
Dad, Mom's brand is absolutely booming, and it's getting bigger from here. Don't let your sad, petty pride ruin everything she built.
So do you? I mean nothing compared to his cheap favors and handouts?
Cheap? You know what Uncle Liam did for us? He can get me into the Corleone group. What exactly have you ever given me?
Exactly. I can enter a top school and connect with all the high society elites, but Dad, you can't do anything. Aren't you embarrassed at all? Dad, if you really care about Mom, leave her. Let her be with Uncle Liam.
Here we go. Sandwich for the young gentleman and a yogurt parfait for the young lady.
Wow! Dad, you can seriously do everything! Dad, you make us breakfast every day. That's a lot of work. When I grow up, I'm gonna cook for you too. I love you, Dad. Always. Yeah, me too!
20 years. My wife betrayed me. The kids I gave my whole life to, never on my side. Once Sophia locks down that investment, her net worth is going to blow up overnight. They're still legally married. He can't get away that easily.
This is your home, Vincent. If anyone's leaving, it should be me.
Uncle Liam! Are you okay? Vincent! How dare you put your hands on Liam?
Dad, you've gone too far.
You hit Uncle Liam today, you'll hit Mom tomorrow. Mom, divorce him right now.
I didn't even touch him.
Shut up! Do you want to ruin this whole
You've been a failure your entire life. Don't let us be there, Dad. We never cared about your pathetic love.
Having you as our father has been embarrassing.
Vanessa, we're completely finished.
All they gave me back was betrayal. From now on, I only live for myself.
How dare they? I'll kill them. He's just nobody. Only because of you, she's gotten this far. Even Luca's job and Isabella's recommendation letter. Are you gonna let them go?
She's always been proud. If she knew my real identity, it would crush her.
Are you never going back?
And she'd never choose me. I can't lose her. So whatever she wants, I'll make it happen. Even if it's in the shadows.
You were the mafia boss, but now they treat you like dirt. Vincenza, how could you let this happen? And because of her, you didn't even make it to Aunt Julie.
Mom, what happened? I'll be there right away.
Wait! You're leaving me too?
My mother's in the hospital. I have to go, Sophia.
No, what about me? Don't leave! What if you leave and never come back?
With Andy and the doctors there, Mom should be okay.
There. No more interruptions.
This should end now. Take care of something for me.
Bella, call the repair stop again. Tell them to hurry over. Mom, it's about Christmas. Everyone's off with their families. No one's taking calls.
Whenever the car broke down before, Dad fixed it right away. It's on me. I'm just not as reliable as Vincent. I couldn't even handle something simple.
All he's good for is this kind of work. You're the one who helps me close investments.
You handle the big jobs.
Hello?
I just saw Vincent with Mrs. Ross, the CEO of Corleone Group. They look close, like old friends.
What's wrong? Who's that?
Someone saw Vincent with the Corleone Group CEO. They were like old friends. What if Vincent told Mrs. Ross everything?
What? Then what about my mom's investment? And I'm counting on this to go full time!
He just can't stand seeing me succeed. He's pulling dirty tricks to ruin my company. How could I fall for him? Liam, tell me, what do I do now?
Don't worry. Corleone saw your potential. That's why they invested. It won't fall apart over a few words. I'll call Miss Ross and put in a few good words myself.
Everything's in place. Now we wait for the gala in 3 days. You've done all of this for her, and take it back now?
Andy, you know why a wounded wolf hides away to lick its wounds alone? Not to wait for death. To remember the pain and come back to tear out the hunter's throat. Miss Ross, this is Liam.
It's regarding the investment in Lusoria. I hope you won't let rumors cloud your opinion of the company.
Lusoria's founder, Miss Corleone, is a highly talented designer. She's a good person. Missing out on her would be a huge loss for Corleone Group.
It is based on numbers and potential. Tell Sophia to be ready for the banquet in 3 days. We've got quite a surprise waiting for her.
What did Mrs. Ross say?
Hey, it's all taken care of. She invites you to enjoy the banquet, and a surprise is waiting for you. My guess? Beside the entosment?
They're probably handing a luxury brand over to you to run it. And from what Mrs. Ross, even the ever-elusible Mr. Corleone will make an appearance. He'll be there to back you.
You mean that Mr. Corleone? The man the president doesn't even refuse?
Oh my God, Mom! This is insane! With Mr. Corleone backing you, we're in the big leagues!
Awesome! No more pretending at those society parties. We can walk in and they'll come to us.
Sophia, I've waited for you for years. Don't forget me when you make it big.
Forget you? No, Liam. You're everything to me.
After tonight, your name's not just going to be respected in fashion. Trust me, Corleone's investment is only the beginning.
All thanks to you, Liam. God, this place feels unreal. More upscale than any party I've ever been to.
After Mom secures the deal, we'll be the ones everyone's watching.
Sophia, congratulations. Once the Corleones back you, you're not only building a fashion brand, but also the richest businesswoman in LA. Please, even the president shows his respect to Mr. Corleone. Just don't forget us little people when you hit the top. If a tiny piece of your business ever falls off the table, I'd be honored to catch it.
Champagne, Mrs. Corleone.
Oh, I've just been lucky enough to meet the right people.
Ever since Uncle Liam came into our lives, everything's gotten better. Mom finally made it. Top fashion company. Look around. Who'd dare look down on us now?
Honestly, I've never seen Mom this alive before. Seems being with the right person changes everything.
Of course, being with a guy whose biggest achievement was folding laundry? Ridiculous. Only Uncle Leah can match Mom.
Mr. Corleone is arriving soon. Stay sharp. FEA cleared the route. 2 escorts are already in the air. You'll be wheels down at the gala in 5.
Can you believe this? Corleone hasn't appeared in 20 years, yet he's here today. He's not just rich. Even the government answers to him. Half the world makes money because he allows it.
Look at them, born into power. And us, we're still waiting for someone to give us a way up.
If Mom impresses Corleone tonight, everything changes for us. If he makes me his goddaughter...
When you speak to Mr. Corleone, mention my name. One word from you could move me a lot higher, be in a better position to help you.
Easy. I got you. Mr. Corleone will be here any minute.
This kind of world was never what Vincent meant. He could have come and broadened his horizons. That jobless joke? Please, Dad would have embarrassed himself in under 5 minutes. People like Mr. Corleone can smell desperation a mile away.
Yeah, this isn't some neighborhood Christmas party. Mom worked too hard to get here. Don't let him ruin it.
Honey, you're about to make it big. I'll always be by your side.
Oh my God, Mr. Corleone is here!
Click the link below to watch the full video.